very good morning to all of you guys once again. As you all know, my name is Jahil, and currently we are on our way to solve lead code problems. And you can see in my past videos that we have uh, solved some problems related to linked list. And today we are going to make a video to check if a given string has a valid anagram or not. So basically, before looking at anagram, we will just uh, go to the lead code and we will check its problem statement so that we have a better understanding of what a valid anagram is. So we'll just write the problem statement, and the problem statement is 242 valid anagram. So here they have given us two strings s and t, and we have to return true if t is an anagram or of s and false otherwise. So what anagram basically means is that we have two strings. Firstly, anagram means that both of the strings should have the same size and all the elements of both the strings should be same. If it doesn't satisfy any one of this condition, then it's not an anagram of the other strings and we have to return false. So firstly, we have to ensure that both of the strings are of same size, and then what we'll do is that we will use the sort method that is inbuilt, and we will check if the elements of first string and second string are matching or not. So what we will do is that firstly, in if condition, we will look that if s dot size is not equal to t dot size, then we have to simply return false. So what size method does is that it returns the size of a particular string. So if string s and t have different size, then it's obvious that their elements are not gonna be same because the size is different, and we have to return false because it's not an anagram. And now what we'll do is that we will just simply use sort method on both the strings. So we will the sorting method, we use it from begin, so that it takes the string from the beginning and we will sort it up to the end. So what it will do is that it will sort our string from start to the end. And what we will do is that we will use the same for the second string. So here the second string is t, and what we'll do is that we will sort t also. So after sorting, what we will do is that we will return s compared to t. So what it will do is that after sorting, we will return s equals to t. So equals to means that it is comparison operator. So what it will do is that it will return the value in boolean. If all the elements of s and t are same, then it will return true. Or else, if even if one element of any of the string is different from the other string, then it is going to return false. So we'll just submit it and we will check if our code is correct. And okay, so we can see that uh, we have passed both the test cases. Here we can see that in case 1, we have two strings, anagram and nagram, and we can see that both of them have same size as well as same characters. It's just they are in different orders. In case 2, we have rat and car. We can see in s uh, there is ra, and in t also there is ar, but t and c are not same in both the strings. That's why we return false. So we'll just submit, and we hope that all the test cases are passed. Okay, so as we can see that we have passed all the 53 test cases related to checking the valid anagram. And we can see our runtime and the beats. So that's it for today's, guys. Today in this video we learned to check if two strings are anagram or not. So what we simply do is that we just check their size. If sizes are different, then obviously they are not anagram, and we return false at the very first space. And if their size is same, then what we do is that we sort both the strings from their beginning to the end, and then we return using the comparison operator. And if all the elements are matching, then it simply returns true, or else it's returning false. So that was for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and understood the video, and subscribe for more and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.